What do you know?
Drip, drop,
Helicopter!
drop. Helicopter!
Hey guys, I'm Golden Gamer and welcome to Guess That Sound Effect! Let's meet our contestants.
That cheesecake for me!
Gage! And me.
Yeah, this boring guy.
The crazy narrator from GTA 5. We have a hat full of random sound effects. We're gonna each take out one, and we're gonna have to make the sound effect without saying the name, and the other person's gonna have to guess that
will.
sound effect. Or they're gonna fall through a hole into lava and die, and then come
I
back
hope
to life
that's me.
and get sat back down on this couch until they die again. Let's go! Okay.
Alright.
Don't look. Car honk? Truck honk?
Do you give up?
Yes.
Do you want to know what it is?
You have to tell me.
A helicopter. Just kidding, it's an old porn.
So, an old horn sound kind of sounds like.
That would be a foghorn.
My turn.
Do I put this back in the bin?
No, it's not.
I want you to get helicopter.
This is your side.
I want to hear your helicopter sound. Just
Oh,
gonna keep
come on!
Let's hear it. Is it an airplane landing?
God damn it!
One for Gagemus Prime.
Your turn.
Okay, so far it is 1 for Gage, 0 for Hunter Miss Prime. Shh.
Car braking? An ice skater going like that and braking? Maybe stepping on something? No. Paper ripping.
Yeah. There's so many noises in the world, like
Out of all of them, paper ripping. Airplanes.
H-I-G,
Oh,
pig,
try guessing without me making the noise.
hoverboard. Nope. Pogo stick,
No. Okay, time to make the noise.
a motorcycle. Is it a Lamborghini? Is it like a fast, is it a car?
Kinda. It's a type of car.
Ferrari, Corvette, Camaro, Mustang?
It's not a brand. It's like a type of car.
Is
Go. Checkered flag comes out.
it a race car?
Yeah.
Spaceship! Spaceship! Spaceship!
Spaceship.
Space. No, it's airplane ship.
It's a spaceship.
Yeah.
Do I get a point?
That was like the easiest point ever.
Here you go.
I mean, what else does that you do for spaceship?
I don't know, give it a try.
Bang-a-lang-a-bang.
I'm gonna need
Hooray.
something for this.
Bang.
I don't know how to do it.
Is it like a pot and pan drum? Like a street drummer? A clock?
Someone rides it.
A horse?
A horse.
Chariot?
Galloping, goddammit. Does he
Galloping?
get a point? You said horse.
I got my paper and let's read it.
Is it Arnold's helicopter? Get to the chopper.
Get to the helicopter! Are you ready? People dying!
Stealth bomber.
No.
Bomb.
Yeah.
Let me see.
It just said bomb.
Okay, hold this. Oh, come on.
Helicopter. Clock.
Do it again.
Clock ticking. Grandfather clock. Oh, I got it. No, no.
Nigel!
Nigel. Narwhal in the ocean. Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Because you're not going to guess it. Drip. Drop. Drop.
Water dropping.
Pretty much. Water dripping from a tap.
Okay then.
I mean, what else do you make for that? You look like a fish. All right, give me the paper. No.
Oh!
Get your- it's how
He's
chapter-
gonna pass this so fast!
Kettle? Fire truck? Police siren? Ambulance? Which one was it?
Pretty sad.
Okay, police sirens. Wait, you said I know so much about it. Oh yeah, I guess I get the police on me every time I play GTA 5. And then I just drive around with their sirens left on. Oof.
I have hiccups.
What are you?
Baby. Baby crying.
Yeah. It just says baby cry. Baby be crying. Baby be cry.
Nice.
Shut up. This ain't your favorite YouTuber.
No, Thanos is.
Is it a vault opening? Is it bubble wrap? Is this the entire noise? A transformer. Can you do it again? Is it obvious? Is someone opening the door and there's rain outside?
Does he give up? If you give up?
I would not give up. Is someone drinking pop?
Close.
Someone drinking juice? Water?
No, we were close the first time.
Pop. Someone like breaking open a pop can or something and it's spraying
Did you
everywhere?
get that one? Give up. Just give up. To be honest, you're really close, but you're never gonna get it.
Is it a pop can like breaking open and leaking?
No!
Pop can, right?
Give up or
So
say the
close.
noise. Give up or say the noise.
I give up.
Pop can opening.
That's what I said though.
No, you said breaking open.
Wait, what was the like clicking noises after?
The bubbles. Car screeching out of brake? Nope. I give up. I don't know what that
Wait,
is.
already?
Yes.
Wait. In old movies, you would hear this sound in old movies, okay? Scary movies.
Creaking door.
Yeah. Door opening, door creaking.
No one's
Right,
gotten the
fine.
helicopter.
Helicopter.
There's only 3 left.
Waterfall? Is it a drill?
No.
Like one of those mechanical
It's literally just
toothbrush
one word.
things? Toothbrush. Can. Hunter.
It's a thing you can see in the city a lot.
An ambulance.
You can give up now or just keep guessing.
No. Fire alarm?
No.
A train?
Closer.
Is it the train stop sign things? So is it some type of alarm thing?
No, it's a vehicle.
Tow truck.
No.
A turning indicator? Thing? Do those make noises? Truck. Car. Motorcycle. Bus.
I'm trying to make this bus stopping noise, and then how it like releases gas from the tire.
So
it goes
I
down.
got that. I got one. Zing, jing, 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 zing, jing, jing. I am your father.
Lightsaber.
Yeah.
And which means you know the last one.
Someone running?
We were close to the very first time.
Helicopter?
Yes. It's not a helicopter, it's a helicopter.
Same thing. We tied 6-6. 6. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun.
Lightsaber fight time.
Wait, you gotta open your lightsaber.
Man. Go to Gamer Sign Off.
Like, comment, subscribe. Down below in the description and stuff, there's words, and you can look at them, and I'll find you if you don't like or subscribe or comment. I will find you. I will tear out your kidneys, and I will take your amygdala out of your brain, and I will feed them to children on the street.
You didn't do it good enough.
This is Gold Wolf Gamer's best friend signing off.
Yeah, you didn't do it. You didn't do good enough. Konnichiwa! Why yes?
Why did you say hello?
I said konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa is hello in Japanese.
I know.
Japanese.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
He means no offense to Japanese people. He just sucks a lot.
Bye.
Bye, 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 bye,
Who's Gamer signing off?
bye, bye.